Welcome back to Working with ArrayLists. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we can actually destroy the data inside our ArrayList by removing things out of the ArrayList itself. So we've got a couple string. The first one we're working with is an ArrayList of string. As you can see right here, I've got word, another word, and another word, and yet another word. So destroying values in ArrayList Java. So we've got them in there. I'm putting them inside that as well as a blank string right there. And I'm putting other word in there a couple times and having that information stored inside that ArrayList. And so my string words content is words.toString \n. So I'm going to grab all the contents of that ArrayList and put it inside a string. When I use the remove method on ArrayList, passing a single index, let's say, hey, I want to go ahead and take out the value that's at that spot. And we pass it a value that's between 0 up to, but not including the size, because I only remove values that are existing inside that ArrayList. The nice thing about the remove method in Java is when I remove something from the list, it actually stores the value back as a return value, so I can actually store it, work with it, and use it. In this case, I stored it as the string removed. So I can hold on to value if I take it out of the list. I don't just simply lose it when I take something out of the array. I don't simply lose it when I take something out of the ArrayList, so I can actually use the values I take out so I can do more modification or work with them as needed inside a project. And so words content plus equals removed, and it was removed from the list. So I'm going to take that and put it inside the list. And then I'm going to display the new contents of that list by saying words.toString. So I'll do the new value of the string and pull that back up. Then I have has blank as words.remove blank. So I'm going to see if I can actually take something out by passing a string value or content of that. So the other remove method takes a value of the same type you're working with. In this case, it's an ArrayList of string. So I'm passing the empty string as that a value. And as you can see right there on line 249, I did words.add empty string. So I did put an empty string inside this ArrayList. So I should be able to take that out. And so words content, was it successful removing empty string, has blank plus \n. So I'm going to say, was it successful? Could I actually remove it? And it'll return true or false. In this case, it is going to return true because it was in there. And then has blank equals words.remove, again passing the empty string. But because I've already taken the empty string out, it will no longer return true because I don't have anything I can take out. So that will assign a false value to it. So if I pass it a parameter that's the type we're looking for, it returns either true or false depending on if it's able to successfully remove that from the list. The next thing we have is, can we take out everything out of the list all at once? And that's possible with the .clear method. So we have our array list of coffee. We're working with our other method, the drinks list. And so I have my drinks data. There are drinks.size in the list. And then I'm going to call drinks.clear, which takes everything out of the list. It just wipes the entire contents out. It doesn't return anything. They're just gone. I just threw it all to garbage collection. So it's not available to me to catch or reuse or do anything with. So if you do use the .clear method, make sure you actually have done everything you do with the data, because otherwise it's totally gone. You can't get it back. So .clear wipes everything out, and so another drinks.size in coffee left. And I'll display that information and show this off as how we can actually demonstrate this with a video and code. So we'll go from there. Go ahead and pull that code up. As you can see, I have the Java empty string values destroying in an ArrayList value. So I've got that stuff that I put inside the ArrayList. And so I do the .remove 0. So I take that first thing out, which is the Java, and there's that empty string that's at the first list right now. So there is an empty string there. There's something there. It's just blank. And then was it successful in removing the empty string? True, because I took that empty string out. It's no longer inside the list. And now that I've removed it, it's no longer there. So I have a false value when I try to remove it yet again. So I can remove values based on index, which takes the out and returns it as a variable that I can catch in a variable and actually work with. Or I have the .remove that takes the type as a parameter, and that returns either true or false if it was successful. And then we also have the take everything out all at once with .clear. And so we have a quick review of that right now. So removing the code, how we can actually go through, take those pieces out and go over that. So we can actually see those pieces that go along with it. And then we have the clear method. I'm going to take everything out of the list. So we'll take everything out of the list using the .clear method. And there were 10 coffees in the list. Now there's 0 coffees left because I called .clear. And again, we take a look at that code. We're removing everything from the list. And so you can see there were 10 coffees right here, and I did drinks.size. Then I called .clear. That removes everything out of the array list, and I no longer have access to that contents. That's all gone, and it's no longer available for me. I hope this is a helpful way about how you can actually take things out of an array list using the 2 remove methods as well as .clear to take things out and get things and make it so you can use them inside an array list. Take this review helpful. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.